Let's make a sweet potato smoothie. It sounds weird, I know, but let's just try it and see what happens. Do 1 small sweet potato baked. Boop. Next I'll do an orange. I hate peeling oranges. This one's pretty easy actually. I just try to check and make sure there's no seeds. Boop. I'll just do a handful of celery. I'm gonna add a little ginger, because why not? Boop. Tablespoon of flax. Scoop of collagen. Almost 3/4 of a cup of macadamia nut milk, but I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut cream, just for a little bit of coconut flavor and healthy fats, but coconut milk in general is really high in calories. So I'm just gonna do a tablespoon. So let's talk about calories. A lot of nutritionists will say, don't count calories, it doesn't matter, because a calorie isn't the same for every person. However, calories are a good way to get a ballpark idea of whether you're getting not enough or too many calories in your daily diet. A lot of people will be fatigued and they won't know why, and it's just because they're not eating enough calories. Or they're eating big portion sizes and they don't know why they can't lose weight. Now, if you have a history of disordered eating, going down the calorie counting road could be dangerous. But if you don't have any issues like that, you can go to an app like chronometer.com. Every once in a while, just check in, enter what you've eaten throughout the day, and it will give you a good layout of your calories, your macronutrients, and your micronutrients, and see if you are on the right track. Oh my god, that's really good. Sweet potato coconut smoothie.